let's make some gluten-free banana bread together. So I'm gonna make a banana bread. It's kind of one of my favorite desserts, to be truly honest. We're gonna make it ovulation-friendly, if that's a thing. Basically, we're just gonna hump it up with the stuff that helps good production of eggs. This is good for someone that is TTC. If you're not, it's still good and delicious, and it still will help your ovulation happen naturally and beautifully. So, you know, my husband stole one of my bananas, so I don't have 4 ripe bananas. I only have 3. So my recipe is slightly different, but I'm gonna put in the description the 4 banana recipe, which is the best one, so you have a lot of leftover. So let's start. Ripe bananas, eggs, chocolate. It's meant to be chocolate chips, but yeah, I don't have it, so I'm just gonna use leftover dark chocolate and chop it up. Peanut butter, a little bit of baking soda, cinnamon, gluten-free flour, and protein. I'm using vanilla flavor, but you can use whatever flavor you feel like. First things first, we need to turn on the oven. 180 preheating on. Let's get our bowl. I'm baking in this one. I'm gonna mix things up in this one. More measurements. All right, let's start mixing. I need to grease this up. Butter, and now the brush till it melts. Granted, I should have probably taken the butter out of the fridge earlier, but it's alright, we'll make it work. I'll be the man I need. Tell me I got something to give. I want a little bit of flour. This one's done. Start with the eggs. 1 egg, 2 egg, 3 eggs. And now wash your hands and clean the egg mess. Peanut butter. And my workout of the day. Let's whisk. Whisk until your arm hurts. And then you have to whisk some more. You have to get rid of all the lumps, basically. Okay. Now that's done.
Mommy, I'm playing a new thing. I tried to make a new thing, but I just made one.
Oh, nice.
I just did already 3 parts. I already did 3 parts.
Okay. I forgot bananas. So before you do the peanut butter and the egg, you need to mush your banana. Now add mixing the banana, gluten-free flour, and this protein, and again, and now mixing gently till there's no more lumps. We'll add more stuff once this is mixed, and it makes it easier that you know everything is nicely mixed together. Banana bread is probably one of the desserts I make the most because we always have bananas to use, basically, because we always buy bananas, but some weeks we are very good at eating them and some weeks not so much. Working, Flynn. Yeah, you can hear him, he's talking. Oh, okay. I make a lot of banana bread, basically. Oh, I forgot cinnamon and this. Good job, buddy. Amazing. That's amazing. I have no idea what you're wanting, but okay. I don't know. Wow, this is what a teaspoon is. Okay. 1 teaspoon. Cinnamon. Good job, bud. 1, yeah, and baking soda. Boop. Wait.
The last one. I have all of them right now. I'm glad I like green.
Chocolate time. I need about a half a cup, so I'm gonna fill this up with chocolate chips. I think. Ow. Okay. Ow. I got myself twice in the same place. It was just a pinch, but what? Sorry? You finished all of them?
Huh?
And it's a new game. We don't know. Who knows? I'm sure there's more.
Maybe they're in a different place to find.
I'm just gonna trust there's enough there.
It's another place to
And mix the chocolate chips. Some of them are huge because I'm so good at cutting. But that's besides the point. It's time to pour it in the tins. I need like a spoon or something to scoop it out.
And this one, the first one. The first monster.
The first of the new game.
I made it. So.
Oh, smells good. Peanut butter and banana.
I'm trying to play this big monster.
All right. I just chopped the banana. Anyway, but this is not what the fourth banana was for, but if you have a fifth banana, this is what I recommend doing. And mine are not, well, they are mature, but they're not ripe, super ripe. So they're okay for what I'm gonna do with them now. It broke. No, god damn it. Oh well. So I'll put this here and this here.
No, it's a dragon! What? It's a dragon now!
Oh, and this here
I wonder why
and
it's
this
a
here.
dragon now.
Okay. What I'm about to do next, you might not want to do because this is a little bit tricky. I just found out I have chocolate chips all along, so I'm gonna just put some on top. Not many, just a few. There's not many left in this bag anyway, you know. Just whatever's left in here. It's dark chocolate. Healthy, right?
I just beat the dragon!
Do I have this? Alright. That's a good job. Not always, sometimes, which is fine. Winning is not everything, right? So I like to add a little bit of sugar on top of the banana, but the specific sugar is like it's dark sugar with the vanilla, and that's why. It's a personal choice, and I'm not gonna put it in the recipe. It's just a little extra because it's just caramelized, basically, the banana. So let's put it in the oven. Here we go. Let's go for 45 to 50 minutes. So I'm gonna put 45 and then I'm gonna come and check. And while that bakes, I'm gonna do a hair mask. But before that, I'm gonna tidy, obviously, everything that I've used and check out how it is. We're gonna check it out. Just did a hair mask on my hair. That's a new thing. And I have a lot of mess to clean, basically. But boo! Let's check our hair. Yes, definitely bake. Look at this. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna let it cool and then we're gonna slice it together. Spit in this bad boy. Sure. It needs cream. A bit of Greek yogurt. Other than that, delicious. And healthy. So you can eat this whole thing and it's healthy. It's all good. Yeah. Let me know what you think of banana bread and other recipes. I don't know.